In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove grid lines from your chart for a cleaner, distraction-free view. Whether you're analyzing data, preparing a presentation, or just prefer a minimalist look, this quick adjustment can make your chart far easier to read. First, open your chart settings. The fastest way is usually to click the small gear or settings icon you'll find near the chart area, often in the top right corner. If you don't see a gear, simply right-click directly on the chart and choose the option that opens settings or chart properties. Both actions take you to the same place where visual options are controlled. If your chart isn't responding, make sure it's the active window by clicking once on it before trying again. Once the settings panel is open, navigate to the section labeled Colors. On some platforms, this area may be under Appearance or a similar name, but look specifically for anything that references colors or visual styling. You might also notice a paint palette icon guiding you there. This section controls the look and feel of your chart elements, including grid lines. Now, adjust your grid line visibility. Look for a setting named Grid or Grid Lines. To make the grid disappear entirely, choose None if that option is available. If your platform doesn't offer a direct off toggle, match the grid line color to your chart's background. For example, if you're using a dark theme, set the grid color to black or the exact dark background hex. If you're on a light theme, set it to white or your precise light background color. Matching the exact color is important. Even a slightly different shade can leave faint lines visible. Some charts distinguish between major and minor grid lines. Treat them both the same way so everything blends cleanly into the background. When you're satisfied with how the chart looks, confirm your changes. Click OK, apply, or simply close the settings panel if your platform saves automatically. You should see the grid disappear immediately, leaving your chart clean and focused on the data itself. If the change doesn't appear, double-check that you adjusted the correct grid setting and that the color truly matches your background. That's it. You've hidden the grid lines using just a few clicks. This small tweak can make a big difference in clarity, especially when you're sharing screenshots or presenting your analysis. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, more professional-looking charts.